YHC Stock Thursday, is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. LQR House Incorporated, it's 40% up, and it's an overall, I mean, I started to see the market extend, started correcting, and then I'm seeing some greens here. So what the hell's going on next? I have delivered thousands of quick predictions over the last 4 years, spent thousands of courses and mentors and documented everything. Here specifically, I'm very open for doubling down this long side, because I do see like there is some potential in it, you know, at least some, you know, we don't even have that much data, but the only real bullish market that I would like to see, you know, the only time where I'm actually going to count this as a bullish market is if I start seeing breaks above 140. So that's like $1.40. And with the current price action, yeah, I'm just observing. The likelihood of this continuing to come beneath 78 cents is also quite high. So again, it's not that volatile, but I'm just still going to stick to the fundamentals. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple, lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.